In this video, we will learn about a feature in FortiClient EMS 7.0 where we can enforce security compliance checks for remote VPN users before they even connect to VPN of the corporate network. With this feature, we can configure a profile to allow or block an endpoint from connecting to a VPN tunnel based on its applied Zero Trust tag. Let's take a look at an example where we will configure an endpoint profile to prohibit Windows endpoints with critical vulnerabilities from connecting to VPN of the corporate network and its resources. For the first step, we will create a Zero Trust tagging rule set that tags endpoints with critical vulnerabilities with a vulnerable devices tag. Let's go to the Zero Trust tag section and select Zero Trust tagging rules. Click Add, and we will give it a name as vulnerable devices, and we will give it a tag name in the tag endpoint as field. Make sure that it's enabled, and then we will add a rule. Set the OS to Windows, and from the rule type dropdown, select vulnerable devices. Under the severity level, choose critical, then click Save. Now let's go to the second step, where we will configure the options on an endpoint profile. Select Manage Profiles under Endpoint Profiles. Here, we can either edit an existing profile or create a new one. Then, go to the VPN tab and enable the Enable Secure Remote Access toggle. Next, we will create a VPN tunnel by clicking Add Tunnel here. Let's set the VPN type to manual. Under Basic Settings, give it a name and set the type to SSL VPN. Enter the remote gateway IP and port number. In the Advanced Settings, for host tag, select Prohibit. Then, from the Selected Tag drop-down list, select Vulnerable Devices, which we had created earlier. Enable the Customize Host Check Fail Warning toggle, and enter a message to display to users when their connection to the VPN tunnel is prohibited due to critical vulnerabilities on their device. Configure other fields if needed, and save the configuration. Let's go to a remote endpoint with a critical vulnerability and see what happens after the next communication between EMS and its FortiClient. The end user sees the notification when their connection to the VPN tunnel is prohibited due to the critical vulnerabilities on their device. With this, we have seen how EMS Zero Trust tags can be used to apply security compliance checks for remote VPN users before they even connect to the VPN of the corporate network. Thank you for watching. For more technical videos, please visit video.fortinet.com.